Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ocean perch. Ocean perch is a delicious, flaky white fish that's easy to prepare and incredibly versatile. You'll learn simple techniques to bring out its best flavor, whether you're a seasoned chef or new to cooking fish. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic seafood meal in just a few minutes, right in your own kitchen. Always select fresh ocean perch fillets that feel firm to the touch and have a very mild, fresh sea scent. Once you have your fish, give it a quick rinse under cold water, then pat it completely dry using paper towels. This step is crucial for crispy skin. Finish by seasoning both sides generously with fine sea salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and maybe a pinch of paprika for color. Pan-searing is a fantastic way to achieve a crispy skin and tender interior. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat until shimmering. Place the fish skin side down, cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crisp. Flip and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit and the flesh flakes easily. This method locks in moisture beautifully. For a lighter, more hands-off option, baking is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a baking sheet or line it with parchment paper. Place your seasoned ocean perch fillets on the prepared sheet. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on thickness, until the fish is opaque throughout and flakes easily with a fork. This method yields a wonderfully moist and tender result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.